Take the belt, make a loop, measure, stand up and measure one leg distance, and then check your loop. Should be tight, should not slide off. Then there's no point. When you kick up, it's going to loosen. Then come on to your palms and knees. Put one edge of the belt around the foot and take the remaining of the belt around the hip of the other leg. Straighten the back leg to feel that tight. So already my leg is active, my belt is strong and straight. Put the forearms on the floor. Adjust that back leg. Okay, elbows nice and close, palms either flat on the floor or interlocked. Lift that lower knee. Walk yourself forward a little bit and then tiny hop. Energize the top leg. Push into your forearms. Keep pushing those right ball of the foot into the belt. Lowering that left leg a little bit towards the floor so that the belt doesn't slide off. You want to keep that lock. Give that a few tries. Whenever you're done, gently drop the foot and sit back in child's pose.